from Australia, it's Mia. Today I'm doing some self-isolation baking, so I thought I would make a video for you guys, and today we are making scones. These scones. Ooh. So if you want to learn how to make these scones, keep watching the video. So this is what you'll be needing. We have full cream milk, self-raising flour, which is Kyoto, I think, and a bit of salt and some butter. So first you'll need 2 cups of self-raising flour. This flour should be sifted, but I forgot to do that. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to the flour. Next we're going to need 60 grams of butter. This should be diced, and then pop it in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds to melt the butter. And that's your melted butter. Add the melted butter to the flour and salt and give it a good mix. Time to add the milk. Measure out 1 cup, but don't pour the whole cup in, leave a little bit at the end for later. Then add your milk to your flour mixture and mix. Put some flour in your hands and start kneading the mixture. Knead the dough until it's not sticky and doesn't stick to your hands. And now spread some flour on your bench, like so, and knead the dough. By using a cookie cutter, or here I used a small plastic cup, cut your scones out into small circular shapes. And repeat this until you've used up all the dough. Pop it on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Now with the leftover milk, gently brush it on like so onto the scones. And now your scones are ready to be popped into the oven for baking. Now for the cream, you can purchase already whipped cream, but I whipped my cream myself. So the cream and jam are just for serving. You can use any cream you like and any jam you like. And now the scones are ready to be taken out of the oven. We'll let them cool a bit and let's give them a go. Spread the jam on first. And add a dollop of cream on the top. And there you go. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video, guys, and let me know what you're up to in self-isolation.